How to stop sharing stories from Instagram to Facebook. Now, let's say you no longer want your Instagram account and Facebook account to sync in one another and share your contents with one another. All you have to do is to tap on your profile icon on the lower corner and click on the three lines on the upper corner. Once you're here, all you have to do is to tap on Account Center right here and click on Sharing Across Profiles right there. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is to tap on your Instagram account, let's say right here, and you will be able to see every content, which is right here, every content that you have on your Instagram that can automatically be shared to your Facebook account. Now, all you have to do in order for you to stop sharing your stories from Instagram to Facebook is to toggle this off. You have to turn this off when it's turned on in order for you to not share your Instagram stories to Facebook stories. So that's how to stop sharing stories from Instagram to Facebook. Hope it helped.